Alright guys, you see where we didn't bush hog because we were trying not to get ate up, but fixing to go put her on it. We're gonna try it out. Pick them knees up. Alright, you see me put the boom stuff out there, all 6 pounds of it. We want a little extra go juice on it, so we fixing to go put this on it. You ain't gonna chase us, baby. You fixing to die. Chris is fixing to go put the go-go juice on her. Let's see. Oh yeah, she stirred up now. You gonna have to run, boy. Alright guys, this is Chris, and this is welcome to Jackass.